Welcome to our next video. We've looked at student attendance and now we're going to look at the gradebook feature of Genesis. Once you are logged into Genesis and on the Student Data tab, click the Gradebook option in the blue bar. This will take you to a version of your student's schedule. You can navigate through the week by clicking the left or right arrow. You can also print out a version of this gradebook by clicking this link here. You will see your students' courses here on the left, and you can see a more detailed view of each class by clicking the blue link. You can also view everything that has been posted for assignments by clicking the List Assignment tab. This will show you where you can navigate between classes, assignment due dates, status of assignments, and assignment dates. You will then see a list of the assignments that have been posted, and it will show a grade or if an assignment is missing. You can also look at what is called the Course Summary tab. This will give you the name of the class, the marking period, and what the current average is. You can also see the assignments that have been posted, the current grade, and any other information that might be needed, whether the assignment was a homework, summative, or formative assignment. You will also see a brief look at the class attendance summary.